Hello guys, welcome to another video in this ESET series. Guys, I have already explained microprocessor paper. So if you have not gone through it, watch this video till end and at end screens you can have it. Now let's get into the video. Before starting today's video, there is a small correction in Internet Programming of TS 2020. The question is the output of the date format with echo date d small d month comma year is dash. The output is this, not this. Here we does not print any superscript for this. In such cases, when you get the key you can report it directly so that they will correct the option. A huge applause to Samrin for your observation and thanks for correcting us. In this video, I am gonna explain computer networks of APEZ 2020. Here is a bonus question. Which topology requires a multi-point connection? A star, B mesh, C ring, D bus. Comment the answer. The answer is explained at the end of this video. Now we will start with our first question. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layers and headers are dash. The answer is added because each layer adds its own header to the packet from the previous layer. For example, in the internet layer, the header is added over the TCP header on the data packet that come from the transport layer. Now, let's move to our next question. Two or more devices share a link in dash connection. We have two types of connection, multi-point connection, point-to-point connection. In point-to-point connection, a dedicated link is established between two devices. But whereas in multi-point connection, two or more devices share a single link. So the correct answer is multi-point connection. Now let's move to our next question. How many layers are present in the Internet Protocol stack or TCP/IP model? The absolute answer is 5, which is TCP/IP. We have 5 layers in TCP/IP and 7 in OSI model. Now let's move to our next question. Delimiting and synchronization of data exchange is provided by dash. The answer is session layer because synchronization is done in session layer only. And I use matching first letter concept for remembering this easily. And now let's move to our next question. Dash allows you to connect and log in to a remote computer. Telnet. Telnet is the correct answer. Most every time, mostly it repeats every time. Do remember all the acronyms as well for FTP, HTTP, and SMTP, etc. Now let's move to our next question. Which network topology requires a central controller or hub? The answer is star topology because in star topology computers are not directly connected to each other but all the computers are connected to the central hub. Before going to the next question, if you have watched till this, mean that this is being very helpful for you. So like, share and comment. The next video will be posted on Friday. But if you want it earlier, help the video to reach 10 likes. Then I immediately post the next video. Now let's move to our next question. The TDM slots are further divided into. TDM means time division multiplexing. It is a technique of combining several low rate channels to a single high rate channel. Now let's move to our next question. Automatic repeat request error management mechanism is provided by. The options are logical link control sublayer, media access control sublayer, network interface control sublayer, application access control sublayer. The answer is logical link control sublayer or it can be called as data link layer. When an error is found in the received frame at receiver's end, it informs the sender to resend the frame. Now let's move to our ninth question. The question is, in classful addressing, a large part of available addresses are dash. The answer is they are wasted. To solve this, classful addressing is replaced with classless addressing, where one can reserve the number of IP addresses required by modifying the CIRD value and make sure that no many addresses are wasted. CIDR means classless inter-domain routing. And now let's move to our next question. This is the final question. The time taken by a packet to travel from client to server and then back to the client is called dash. This gap is known as RTT. RTT means round trip time. Guys, now it's time to answer the bonus question. The question is, which topology requires multi-point connection? In bus topology, there is a single cable in which all network nodes are connected. So whenever a node tries to send a message or data to other nodes, this data passes through all the nodes in the network through the cable. It is really simple to install, but it's not secure enough to be used in the most of the computer network applications. Guys, if you find the answer same, congrats, you are good at the concept. And finally, guys, I have explained a lot of stuff in the previous TS paper. So if you haven't gone through that video, please have a look on it. It will be at the end of the screens. And if you have any doubts or questions to be asked, post it in the comment section. The answers will be explained in the upcoming videos.
Thanks, Namaste.